Hi there! Welcome back to Bendy Province YouTube channel. I'm Maria, and today we're going to tour this amazing 3-bedroom villas in Jimbaran. This villa is brand new. It was built in 2022. It has 759 square meters of living space on a 361 square meters plot of land. But most importantly, it is freehold. This villa has an underground parking facility with a staff quarter upstairs. Now, before we get in, I'm already impressed by their facilities, and I'm sure you can't wait to see it too, so let's get in. Wow! As soon as we walk in, we are greeted by this serene koi pond, and over here on the left, we have a stunning swimming pool. You can see this private pool with an infinity edge is surrounded by lush tropical plants, a waterfall fountain, and a wooden deck with wicker loungers. Perfect for those lazy Bali days. This villa is really strategic. From the villa, you'll reach the toll road within 5 minutes, 8 minutes from the beach, and 28 minutes from the airport. This villa is priced at 15 billion Indonesian rupiah, which is around 923,000 USD. By the way, if you like this video so far, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Help us to grow to deliver more about amazing properties in Bali. But now, let's move on to our next stop. Here we are in the living room that flows right through to the pool deck. It has a gorgeous wooden partition that separates the living room and the dining. The distinct wooden flooring in the center contrasts beautifully with the marble-like surfaces surrounding it. With minimalist style furnishing, the room feels fresh and modern. One side gives you a garden view and the other side gives you a great pool view. This is a perfect place to chill and entertain. Next up, we have this dining area with a gorgeous teak tabletop. With a tranquil koi pond next to it, it's perfect for hosting dinners with friends or family. And right next to it is the kitchen area. The kitchen features an efficient U-shaped layout, providing ample counter space and storage, while allowing for smooth workflow and easy access to all areas. This layout is ideal for maximizing space. It creates an ergonomic environment for cooking. It is fully equipped with everything that you need, from the built-in modern appliances and generous storage spaces to the polished black countertops. This kitchen is excellent, especially if you're fond of cooking for your family or friends. And now let's check the first bedroom. On the first floor, we have the first guest bedroom. It is designed facing the pool and it's made to be super comfortable and convenient for the guests. This bedroom features a large private TV, a study, and a walk-in wardrobe. It also has its own ensuite bathroom with a semi-open setting. And now let's head up to the second floor. The first spot in the second floor is this garden area. It connects all the rooms on this level with wooden decking, a pergola, and a lush lawn. It is very well designed. With its vertical wooden slats, tropical plants, it adds a nice little touch of nature. And now I will take you to the most important feature in this villa. This is the spa room. It has several massages tables, each equipped with comfortable padding and linens. The tables are spaced to provide adequate room for movements and ensure a comfortable experience for clients. Over here, we have a natural stone that gives texture and a rustic element to the design. And over here, we have a wall-mounted water feature that gives an element of peace to the room. The sound of the water flowing creates a relaxing atmosphere and a soothing background of sound. This spa room truly makes this villa a little sanctuary of relaxation without even leaving home. The second guest bedroom also has a similar layout and facilities to the other bedroom. It keeps up the villa's theme of combining modern style with comfy living. And finally, here is the master bedroom. It's really bright and spacious. This design brings in a lot of natural light and gives you that unique indoor-outdoor living experience. It comes complete with generous storages, a study, a walk-in wardrobe, and a semi-open ensuite with a zen garden. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. If you're interested about this villa or want to know more about other properties, do contact us at B&B Province. And once again, don't forget to like, hit subscribe, and share this video to see more about amazing properties in Bali. I'm Maria for B&B Province, and I'll see you next time. Bye!